Hi, we are so excited to share this course with you. Our mentorship program is aimed at any neurodivergent adolescent or adult. When you sign up for this mentorship course, you will also receive your own mentorship manual, which you can print and use while you're completing the course, and also do it in your own time. Our mentorship manual is an interactive workbook filled with practical strategies to support you in everyday life, real life strategies that make a difference. I'm going to take you through the manual really quickly to get an idea of what you can expect. Many practical activities, things that we can implement in our everyday life. And throughout this manual, we will also work on different skills to equip you to practice these things that we will work on in your everyday life. So make sure that you sign up for our course soon so that you don't miss this opportunity. Thank you.